Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic way to organize your data more effectively, making it easier to sort, filter, and analyze information at a glance. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. This step is essential because it ensures you're working in the right workspace environment where all your files are stored. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself on the workspace dashboard. This is where all your documents, spreadsheets, and other files are organized. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to create your table. Once you've found it, click on it to open it up. The spreadsheet will load in a new view displaying all your existing data and cells. Now comes the part where you select the data you want to transform into a table. To do this, click on the first cell of the range you want to include. While holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, click on another cell that marks the end of your desired range. This action will highlight all the cells in between, effectively selecting the entire block of data you want to organize into a table. This selection method is quick and ensures you capture exactly the data you need without missing any rows or columns. With your data highlighted, direct your attention to the top menu bar, click on Format, which will open a drop-down menu with various formatting options available for your spreadsheet. From this menu, locate and click on Convert to Table. This action is what transforms your selected data range into a structured table format, giving it enhanced functionality and a more organized appearance. Once your table is created, you'll notice a drop-down menu beside Table 1 at the top of your table. This is a powerful feature that gives you several customization options. By clicking this dropdown, you can rename your table to something more descriptive that fits your project needs. You can also adjust the table range if you realize you need to include more or fewer cells. Additionally, this menu allows you to edit the table header color, giving your table a personalized touch that aligns with your visual preferences. You can also modify the table formatting to change how the data is displayed within the table structure. And there you have it, you've successfully created and customized a table in Google Sheets, making your data more manageable and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.